a quick, unexpected trip to Lovina, which is in the south of the island. We have to bring a couple of things to our customer. So yeah, we'll jump on a bike. Think it's gonna take around 2 hours to get there. Usually we're going that way when we're going to immigration. And for me it usually takes 1.5 hours. The Lovina is a little bit more far than Singaraja. It's like kind of passing Singaraja. So yeah, so new place. I never been in Lovina. Laura also never been in Lovina. We'll just try to show you something how it looks like on that side of the island. Follow us. Since today you cannot go out of the house without a mask, you can get a fine 100,000 rupiah, which is around 10 bucks. The distance here to Lovina is pretty much the same as to Denpasar. Just this, there is less intensity on the road, less cars, less motorbikes. So it's going faster than when you go to Denpasar.
Because we make about 65 different models. I have Blackstone, I have a share different companies. And if around maybe up the picture when you come back, I can show you my work. The thing is free, not charged.
Okay.
Yeah.
Terima kasih. Okay, people, welcome to Lovina. This is the main pier where the boat's going for dolphin watching in the mornings, and they say actually it's all day long. It's not only in the morning, but it's also in the afternoon. Also, you can see dolphins. And then the guy said that you can actually come to Lovina and also swim with the dolphins with a snorkel and mask. And that's how it looks like here. This is the first time we made to Lovina. Before, I didn't know it's actually so close to Singaraja. I thought it's a little bit more away. If you go to immigration, you can kind of combine Lovina with, let's say, dolphin watching with immigration. So it's not lost day at all. Since we are here, we decided to give you some small tour around Lovina, just to make you see what's here and just to give some idea what is around here. So far I'm not too impressed. It's just a usual place, same as I think Amed is more cozy and nice than here so far. Maybe I'm in a wrong place at the moment, but I think it's a central parking place where everybody brings all the customers for dolphin watching tours. looks really empty. Dolphin Queen or King, who knows it. Has a temple. Pantai Lovina. Pantai means beach.